Now, a legitimate question which you can ask, and many of you are asking, when are prices going to further come down? Now, that, again, why I'm so happy to have this and why we've given you so much detailed material. If you have even a nodding acquaintance with the functioning of oil companies, when most of you probably know more about their functioning than I do, then there are several steps involved. Whether the company is in the private sector, and we have two of them, or they are public sector entities which we call oil marketing company, the procedure essentially involves sourcing crude at the point of production through the floating of a tender. Either it's on term basis or on spot basis, but there is a transparent process. Then you buy that, then along with that cost is the cost of insurance, cost of freight, then there is a refining margin, then there is a central excise duty, then there is a state VAT and dealer's commission, etc. But you know, the crude the petrol and diesel that you buy at the dispensing station today, that crude would have been obtained 2 months ago. Because you float a tender, you buy the crude. So it's bought either at the price, it has to be bought at the price available then. So 2 months ago, or whatever the representative, 6 weeks or 3 months, or I don't know, then the price was not this price, it was higher price. The cost of insurance freight was also that price. So today that crude is being sold. Today the crude that you are, if the prices come down to 70 or below, that crude will arrive here much later. So you have a very legitimate question, and I'm being the devil's advocate. I'm asking the question to myself on your behalf. When will it come down further? Well, if it remains like this, and we meet, and I'm planning that we meet every 10-15 days at least, if not sooner, then it's a legitimate thing. That's all right.